Hi, are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I'm waiting. The bus is always late,
Yes, you are right. I also wait here every day.
Oh, really? I think I saw you before, but I was not sure.
Yes, maybe. I usually come late, but today I came early.
That's good. I come early every day, but still, the bus comes late.
Same problem for everyone.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel angry, but then I just relax.
Yes. Getting angry doesn't help.
By the way, do you go to college?
Yes, I study in the college near the market.
Oh, really? I also study in that college.
Wow, that's nice. Which course do you take?
I study English literature, and you?
I study computer science.
That sounds interesting. Computers are very important now.
Yes, and English is also important.
Haha, true. Without English, it's very hard today.
Do you like your classes?
Yes, I like them, but sometimes the work is too much.
Same for me. Many assignments, many projects.
Yes, student life is busy, but it's also fun.
Yes, sometimes fun, sometimes stressful.
At least we can meet new friends.
Exactly. Like today, we are talking here for the first time.
Yes, I'm happy. Waiting for the bus is not boring now.
True, talking makes the time go fast.
Oh, look, I think the bus is finally coming.
Yes, I see it too.
Finally, we are in the bus. It feels crowded today.
Yes, many people are going to college or office.
Do you want to sit near the window?
Yes, thank you. I like the window seat.
That's good. You can see the road, trees, and shops.
Yes, I enjoy watching outside. It makes the journey short.
True. Sometimes I even listen to music while looking outside.
Oh, really? What kind of music do you like?
I like soft songs, something relaxing, and you?
I like pop music. Sometimes I sing along.
Oh, that's nice. Maybe one day you will sing for me.
No, no. No, I only sing in my room, not outside.
Haha, okay, I won't force you.
Do you read books on the bus?
Sometimes, but usually I just look outside or talk with friends.
Yes, talking is better. Time goes fast.
Exactly. Today, I'm happy because I got a new bus friend.
Yes, same here. It feels nice.
Do you take this bus every day at the same time?
Yes, mostly. But sometimes if I'm late, I take the next bus.
Ah, okay, then maybe we will meet again every morning.
Yes, I think so. That will be good.
The bus is moving slowly because of traffic.
Yes, traffic is always a problem in the morning.
At least we are not standing, we got seats.
Yes, lucky us. Otherwise, it's very tiring.
True, standing all the way is painful.
But sometimes I give my seat to old people.
Yes, that's kind. I also do that. Respect is important.
Exactly, small things make a big difference.
Oh, look, the college building is coming. We are almost there.
Yes. Just 2 more stops. The weather is nice today, right?
Yes, very nice. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for walking.
Yes. Sometimes the sun is too strong, and I feel sleepy in class.
Oh, really? I also feel the same. When it's hot, I just think about ice cream.
Ice cream in class, that would be funny.
Yes, but the teacher will not be happy.
True, some teachers are very strict.
Exactly, but some teachers are friendly and fun.
Do you like our English teacher?
Yes, she is nice. She speaks slowly, so I can understand.
Yes, me too. I like when teachers explain step by step.
Same, some teachers talk so fast, and I just sit like, huh?
I also do that. Sometimes I just smile and pretend I understand.
Oh, really? I thought I was the only one.
No, no. Many students do the same.
That makes me feel better.
Do you have any favorite subject?
Yes, I like English. I want to speak naturally. And you?
I like computers. I love solving problems and learning new software.
Interesting. I'm not good with computers.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Oh, really? That would be great. In return, I can help you with English practice.
Wow, that's a good deal. English for computers.
Haha, yes, deal.
Look. We are almost at the college gate.
Yes, I see it. Many students are already going inside.
Okay, let's hurry or we will be late for class.
Haha, yes, running after the bus and now running to class. Student life.
Exactly, always busy, always running.
But still, it's fun with friends.
Yes, I agree. With friends, even stress feels light.
Haha, true. Okay, let's go in.
Okay, this is the main gate. From here, I go to the computer science block.
And I go to the English department, that side.
It's funny. We just met today, but it feels like we already know each other.
Yes, same here. Talking on the way made the walk so easy.
Yes, otherwise I just walk quietly and keep checking my phone.
Me too, but today was different. I enjoyed it.
Same, student life is busy, but with friends it feels lighter.
True, even waiting for the bus didn't feel boring today.
Yes. By the way, do you always take the same bus in the morning?
Yes, I usually come around the same time every day. What about you?
Yes, me too. I always wait at the bus stand at 8:15.
Perfect, then tomorrow we can meet there again.
Good idea. We can walk together to the gate.
Yes, it will be nice, and maybe you can tell me more about computers.
Sure, and you can teach me some English practice.
Deal again. English for computers continues tomorrow.
Exactly. Okay, then we will meet tomorrow at the bus stand.
Yes, tomorrow morning, same time, don't forget.
Don't worry, I won't. Okay, now I should go, or I'll be late for class.
Same here, teachers don't like late students.
True. Okay, bye for now.
Bye, take care, see you tomorrow.
See ya. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you enjoyed today's college conversation and picked up some useful English sentences. If there are any words or sentences you didn't understand, please comment below. I'll reply and explain them for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our daily English conversation videos. See you in the next lesson.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.